Life often goes from wonder to worry. And while beauty surrounds us everywhere, things sometimes don't go as planned. When this happens, life's little detours can leave unpleasant reminders. Whether you are a model or a mom, an actor or a grocer, no one, whether they admit it or not, really wants to live with unsightly scars. Finally, you can use the same patented formula that plastic surgeons and dermatologists really use to improve the appearance of scars without a prescription.
Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Student, a plastic surgeon taking care of patients for over 20 years. In 1998, I realized that no matter how good a job I do, some scar always remained. Believe it or not, I'm just as concerned about your scar as you are. We both want you to look great. Let's talk for a minute about scars and how we can make them look better. When you have surgery or even a minor injury, there's a hole in the collagen. Mother Nature has miraculously provided that just like a sculptor who uses more clay than needed and then artfully smooths away the excess, our body creates extra collagen and then makes an enzyme called collagenase that melts away the excess. When our healing's in perfect balance, we're left with a fine line and a perfect scar. But when there is an imbalance, a thick raised scar remains. When you suffer an injury on your knuckle, for example, the body overproduces scar tissue. Then, as we bend that finger, Mother Nature's provided that in response to the tension, we make extra collagenase to melt the collagen so that the joint does not lock up. For decades, surgeons have known that you can use pressure bandages to trick that scar into behaving like it's bending around a joint. This is known to tilt the balance in favor of better healing. But bandages for scars take weeks or months to work, are unsightly and inconvenient. Most people just give up before they see the benefits. Silicone gels and pads have also been shown to have some effect. But the gels are messy and stain your clothing, and the pads roll up, fall off, and are unsightly as well. So once again, very few people use them for long enough to see the benefit. Dermatologists will frequently inject cortisone for the most severe scars and keloids, but this is painful. Vitamin E is a controversial topic, but there are many studies that say it can be helpful. It was clear to me that while we knew how to make scars look better, the treatment was just as embarrassing as the scar itself. This problem just had to have a solution.
Scarguard Scar Care is the result of years of laboratory research. A true breakthrough product, it is used by thousands of plastic surgeons and dermatologists nationwide. It is the #1 product actually dispensed to patients by plastic surgeons after surgery or injury, but until recently, it was only available at your doctor's office. Scarguard products are finally available to you without a prescription. Here's how it works. Scarguard is a clear liquid containing all of the ingredients that doctors know improve scar appearance. After simply brushing on, it dries in seconds to a nearly invisible flexible film. It will not come off on clothing, while swimming or showering. It is used twice daily, starting when the wound heals over or when the stitches are removed.
I am often asked about acne scars and stretch marks.
There are products that claim to improve thick scars, thin scars, old scars, new scars, acne scars, and stretch marks. Acne scars and stretch marks are actually sunken scars. Raised scars and sunken scars are opposites. If a product is really effective on one, it just can't help the other. There are many types of scars. A product selection grid is on the back of every Scarguard box. The product selection grid shows that if you just had surgery or an injury to the skin, or if you have an old scar that is thick and raised, Scarguard Scar Care is the best choice. However, some scars go on to darken. If this happens to your scar, Scarguard Lightner will help you. Scarguard Lightner is a light gel. Shortly after applying, it completely disappears into the skin, leaving no messy surface residue whatsoever. This product contains hydroquinone, the most commonly used lightening agent. But unlike other products, it also contains azelaic, retinoic, and kojic acids, and a type of vitamin C known to be beneficial to your skin. It also contains several helpful homeopathic ingredients. This combination of medical and homeopathic ingredients is an incredibly effective lightener for darkened scars that are shades of brown.
Remember, red and purple scars are caused by overgrown blood vessels, and no lightening product will help these. Scarguard Lightner will help lighten your dark scars as well as dark skin anywhere, including under-eye circles, age spots, liver spots, freckles, and post-surgical pigmentation.
Scarguard Scar Care and Scarguard Lightner can be used together if your scar is both discolored and overgrown.
In my practice, I often see scars that are thick, raised, or discolored. I also see the frustration of patients that just don't think there's anything that will help. If you choose the right Scarguard product, it will dramatically improve the appearance of your scar.
So join the thousands of plastic surgeons and dermatologists and hundreds of thousands of their patients who are enjoying the benefits of Scarguard. Use Scarguard Scar Care if you have recently had surgery or a skin-breaking injury, or if you have an old scar that is thick and raised. Scarguard Lightner is for areas of skin that have darkened anywhere. You can get Scarguard products at thousands of doctors' offices and pharmacies nationwide. We understand that scars are more than skin deep. These products are uniquely effective. We guarantee it.